Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the dynamic link library kernel32.dll error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome, okay? And here at the search bar, you need to search for security update for Windows 11 for x64 based systems. Now you need to identify first what type of system do you have in your Windows before you proceed on downloading such. How you can identify your system type here at the bottom search bar, please type for info. The moment you've typed it, system information will appear. Here you need to click on open. So under the system information window, you need to proceed on system type where you would be able to see the value that you have in your Windows. Okay. In my case, I have an x64-bit or based PC. Just have to identify what system type, and once you have known it, once you have defined it, just have to close this window and proceed to the very first, first result, which is this Microsoft Update Catalog. Click on it. Okay. And if you have the 32-bit computer, then change the 64 into 32. Okay. So since I have the 64-bit computer, that's why I'm searching for 64 based PC systems. Okay. So here, before proceeding on downloading such, you need to look at the title first. Okay. And if you have an ARM 64 based systems, then proceed to the first. But if you have a 64 base systems like me, proceed to this. Okay? So just have to go with the any of this as long as you have selected the correct base systems in your Windows, which is compatible to your system type. Once you have selected it, click on download and you would be redirected to this small window which is under the Microsoft Update Catalog where it contains the link that you can click on to download such. Just have to click on it and it will be starting to download in your Windows. It will take some time, an hour or a 46 minutes or what less than that. It would depend on the network connection that you are connecting to. You just have to wait until it will be downloaded and install it and restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, I will not go further anymore because I am not getting an error with, but in your case, you have to go further so that you would be able to fix your problem. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.